Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. If you are new here, hello, thank you so much for joining me. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video today. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Sunday and time is running out. We ain't got that much time for real. Even though I don't really want to record this video, I'm gonna have to record this video to try to pack a few more items. Today's video is going to be moving vlog day 6. And we're gonna pack some stuff. I've been telling my son for like the past 2 weeks, we're gonna pack your toys, we're gonna pack your toys, we're gonna pack your toys. But guess what? We ain't never pack his toys. Today I went to church. Then we went to the Mall of America, Burlington, and Target. And I was like, I gotta get home and do some packing because we literally don't have that much time left. Can y'all just do it for me? I don't really want to. I'm supposed to be doing a whole bunch of other stuff as well. And I don't got the time. I just need somebody to do it for me, please. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead, pack my hall closet, pack my son toys, and pack the dining room closet. And try to get the stuff from underneath the bathroom cabinet. Yeah, so y'all just gonna have to come along with me and What? Almost speaking in tongues. Before we get started with this video, I need y'all to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone you know. And let's get to it. All right, y'all, so here is the moving boxes. I had bought these the other day. We got like 5 small ones, a couple of medium size, and like 6 big ones. So for the hall closet, I think we can probably use one of these small boxes. What y'all think? I don't know, either this one or a medium. This is the medium size. What y'all think? Maybe medium, because that's a lot of stuff. All right, y'all, so I got these 2 boxes made. I got a small one and a medium one because I'm not sure what size I may need to fit all of this stuff. This is a famous closet that never been packed, but we're gonna do it today. And I could pack pretty much everything right now. I kind of got a little vision of how I want to pack everything, so we're gonna go ahead and get to it. All right, you guys, so this is what the boxes is looking like so far. And I don't want to take everything out the box to show y'all really, but this is what it's looking like in the box. Grading here in these 2 bags. Since it's like just here, I can be able to shut the box still. And then I wrapped these with saran wrap so the stuff can stay inside. I know, this is genius, very clever. You ain't even gotta tell me. Very genius. This is mostly this is mostly lotion in the box. And then I'm gonna put all of this stuff in this box as well. All this stuff right here is trash. And then I want to show y'all a couple of things inside the closet, because this is what it's currently looking like. And then I got a lot of this stuff off the door. But a few items that I'm keeping is my cream, deodorant, the Dove soap. And then all of this is pretty much like hair grease. I'm gonna put that in this box. Now I am in the dining room and I'm about to repack some of this cleaning supply and the laundry soap because we're not gonna be really using this stuff. Except for like one more time, I'm gonna go to the laundromat this Wednesday to wash my clothes and to wash the kids' clothes as well. But as far as the cleaning supply, I know that we really don't need like that because I just recently cleaned the bathroom, but I will be cleaning the bathroom one more time because we're not gonna be here that long. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to pack, and then I'll show you the closet that it came out of so you can see the progress. Amaya originally packed this box, I wanna say last week, but this box is too small to hold all of the cleaning supply because I gotta pack all of this stuff as well. And some of the stuff came out of my bathroom. And then I need to pack the laundry soap. This is a closet that everything came out of, well, partially came out of. So it had cleaning supply and the laundry soap in here. And then I also need to pack the kids' snacks out of this closet as well. Hopefully I can fit everything in the box. box is packed. In this box, we got cleaning supply and all of the laundry soap. And then in this box, we got garbage bags with the light bulbs and stuff like this. And then I left these 2 laundry soaps out because we're gonna go to the laundromat this Wednesday. I got the snacks right here. This is what they are gonna keep. I threw out the things that they don't eat and the things that was pretty much old that needed to be tossed out. So this is what we got left. And this box is pretty much a variety of snacks, brownies and fruit snacks and things. Then they got these buttery crackers with those cheese sticks. Got the butter popcorn, some seaweed, this little slime foam candy. This is just some chips, Tostitos or whatever they call it. And then I got the cranberry juice right here. And last but not least, I don't even know why I'm keeping these. I don't know if it's just my kids or not, but they hate grape flavored juice. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all kids hate grape flavored soda or juice, because mine don't like it. And I'm pretty sure these snacks is gonna be eaten up by the time we leave. Everything is pretty much out. And that's tissue and then saran wrap in aluminum foil with some snack bags and a duster. At the bottom is just some plastic bags. That's what we got left in this closet. I don't know how long this video is, but the last thing I need to do is pack my son's toys. So I'm gonna see if I could squeeze that in this video. If not, y'all might get a part 2. If I don't do it tonight, it ain't gonna get done. So we're gonna try to put it in this video. We're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, so I'll be back. Hey guys, it's me again. So I was about to pack my son's toys tonight, but he's not feeling well. So we're gonna have to pack his toys at a later time. And I know. I said if I didn't get it packed tonight, then we probably won't get them packed anytime soon. But I do need him to go through his toys with me to know what to keep and what to throw away. Since I can't do that with him tonight, we're gonna just probably pack his toys tomorrow. But at the same time, I have things in this bathroom that I could go ahead and pack up tonight. And I forgot to tell y'all that I was not able to pack everything in my hall closet. So we're gonna pack these items in the bathroom along with the remainder items from the hall closet. I set aside some stuff that I am currently using every day. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm putting to the side, and then we're gonna just go ahead and pack the rest of this stuff up. So this is the stuff that I use every day. We got the cortisone, some Theraflu because the kids stay sick, and then Band-Aids and some toothpicks, Vicks Vapor Rub, lip gloss, eyebrow pen, this hydrating stick with my braiding gel. I use these items every day, so we're gonna keep those out. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pack these mini organizers out here in the hallway. These are items that I'm throwing away. We don't need these. And then this was the remainder stuff that was in this hall closet. I'm gonna pack that with the bathroom items. This is what the closet is looking like. I'm gonna take these papers out of here. I'm gonna pack these batteries with like the kitchen drawer stuff, and then I'll find, well, I'm gonna put like the tape measure and this in my tool bag. After that, this closet will be packed. I am back in my room, and I do apologize for this lighting. It's not the best, but I'm about to end this video. I just wanted to let y'all know that I finally got everything packed up. I did forget to show y'all, but I'm letting y'all know there is nothing underneath the bathroom cabinet. Got that hall closet packed finally. I was tired of seeing the closet too, y'all, so you ain't even gotta let me know. I got the dining room closet packed. I even went into the kitchen and packed up the food as well. I got everything packed up upstairs. I'm so proud. I gave myself a pat in the back because I've been doing all of this by myself. It's been a long time coming. We got just a little over a week before we are officially moved out. I do appreciate all of you guys that's been tuning in, being supportive. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. But I made progress, and I know that y'all see that I made progress. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.